Okay, guys, good morning. Monday morning, 19th of August, 2024. Hope you had a good weekend. And like every single Monday, we're going to go through the charts, the news, crypto, stocks, indices, basically a rundown of where exactly we are in the market and what to expect this week. So let's do the news first. So dailyfx.com, all I select is the country and the importance, high and medium. So today, Fed Wall speech at 14:15, CB leading index, not really anything too crazy there. Tomorrow, we have Fed Bostic speech and Fed Bar speech, which again isn't really that fantastic. Wednesday, we have FOMC minutes, so I won't be trading Wednesday. I don't trade when it's FOMC minutes. The market doesn't really move too great on those days. We have a Jackson Hole, no idea what that is. I've never seen that before, but it's at 1 o'clock, so it's not really going to affect my trading. S&P Global Composite, which isn't really that impactful. And then we've got Fed Chair Powell speech at 1500 on Friday. Now that is going to affect the market. More likely going to be a big move on Friday. So yeah, watch out for Friday at 1500. And that's basically it. The only news that I'm really going to be looking out for next week is Fed Chair Powell speech, 1500 on Friday. So that could be quite catastrophic. Now let's look at the charts. So let's go through all of the watch lists. Let's go to the weekly and see where exactly we are. So the DXY, which is the dollar index. Let's take a look here. So the dollar index, I mean, we were moving to the upside, but the past couple of weeks, well, ever since July, been moving to the downside. I do believe now that we could go to the 100 level. So the US dollar possibly moving down to the 100 level. There's not really any pattern here. Nothing really there, to be honest with you. US 100 did exactly what I wanted it to do. It's moved to the upside. So we had a pin bar previous week and then a bullish engulfing candle. So this week, what do I expect? Let's have a look. Probably going to go down to 19,000, to be honest with you, and then move to the upside. I don't really expect much. I expect consolidation and a move to 19,000. But let's take a look at US 500. US 500 on the weekly bullish engulfing candle, which again, after the manipulation, touching the high, makes complete sense. I do expect this to go bullish, but also pin bar as well this week. US 30 bullish engulfing again. I do expect bullishness, but also a pin bar to the downside. Gold. Now, gold has broken to the upside for the first time in history of this key level. So what are we looking for now? We're looking for a exhaustion and then move to the upside. Gold is super, super bullish. So we want to only be moving to the upside on gold. Microsoft has bounced, so we've had 2 weeks. It looks as though. So the previous week, pin bar, last week, bullish, same as US 100. Take a look here. So I would be looking for kind of an exhaustion, head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders, and then move to the upside. That's what I'd be looking for on Microsoft. Nvidia recovered amazingly well. That would have been a really good trade. I didn't get in though. Apple recovered nearly at the highs of 236, now 226, which isn't far off. Meta moved all the way down to 445. Now it's at 527. Amazon recovering nicely. This could be a very good trade for you guys to get into Amazon. It's only just broke the highs. Usually when we break highs, we do have a good move to the upside. So this could go all the way to potentially 300, to be honest with you. It's still got the leg to the upside to go. Google doing really well. Touch the high here. Push exhaustion. Continued move at the high, which is here, which is literally touched. Pin bar to the upside. Touch the high. And still got the leg to move to the upside. So really good Google. Tesla has broke the downward channel. Break exhaustion. Potential continued move to go to all-time highs of 400. Potentially. Bit of a gamble, Tesla, but definitely one to watch out for. Bitcoin, huge pin bar the previous week, and now the week that we just had is a indecision bar. I honestly wasn't expecting a bullish engulfing, but to be honest, this week probably going to tap 55, 56,000 again, and then move to the upside. If it breaks this level, then I don't know what to do. ETH basically the same, pin bar and indecision. Shiba pin bar and indecision, nothing really too crazy. Doge basically the same. When is going to be the same as well as crypto, all basically moves the same. So let's go on to day trading now. We've had a look at the market. We know that stocks are looking really good. Probably the best one is Google. I'm probably going to look at trading that and also Microsoft as well. So US 100, let's take a look at this at a closer scope. So on the hourly time frame, we already know what's happened on the weekly. Let's take a look at the hourly here. So we've got a swing trade here. So this was my prediction for last week. I mean, it's not. That wasn't too bad, was it? It went all the way to the key level that I wanted it to. So this week, what do I predict? Let's get rid of this. All of this here. Okay, so I do believe that we are going to go down to 19,000. I believe that this level of sell pressure is going to kick in. And I believe that we're going to see something like this. I believe that we're going to have a little bit of consolidations on US 100. But I do believe that we are going to close as a pin bar on the weekly. So I do believe that we will get a trade on this at some point here. And then I do believe that we could potentially on Friday. So this will happen maybe Wednesday and then Friday with the power speech. Potentially, we have a move here. So those are the potential trades on US 100. I really today expect this to move to the downside, but we will see. We'll see what happens here. I expect moves to the downside. Tuesday bounce, Wednesday, Thursday move up, and then Friday is absolutely capital to the upside. So how's the swing trade going? We are nearly halfway towards TP. Swing trade looks something like this. Looking really good so far. We don't move SL or TP until final TP is hit, which is the high, which isn't far off. US 30. Let's get 8 cap one up. So US 30 absolutely blew my expectations out of the water. What do I expect this week? Basically the same as US 100. Move down to a key level, bounce, and then move to the upside later on in the week. That's what I expect on US 30. Key level here, nice level of buy and sell pressure. And then a move to the upside. Let's get rid of this. There we go. So that's US 30, last one gold. So gold has broken the key level, it's broken the highs. What do I expect? I expect a exhaustion down to that level. So where we're going to go to? Well, there's no key levels other than the high, so we wait for a bounce of 2,480. And then boom, skyrockets to the upside. That's the only thing that we really can look for. Let's take a look at how strong gold is. Let's take a look here. So gold's a positive 3.9. Short term, medium term, it is a 1.9. No, sorry, long term, it's a 3.9. Short term, it is +1, so there's nothing really crazy here. It is the strongest long term, but that is about it. It's only a 3.9. USD is a -3 though, so literally opposite ends of the spectrum. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for guys watching the recording. I hope you learned something. That is your weekly rundown from me. Have a great week, guys. Trade safe, and I shall see you on Wednesday. Take care. Bye bye.